Hey guys, it's LoveFloat212 here, and today I'm going to be talking about you. I'm going to be talking about like the Arctic wolf and the diamond shop animals and stuff. And so let's talk about it. So when I went to my Switch animal things, and I went all the way down to the bottom. Well, not all the way down, just to. So I went right here, and I was like, gonna get an animal and stuff. So I was like, whoa. And I saw that the owl, goat, otter, and Arctic wolf, they only cost 1,000 gems. So that's kind of good price. Because I think earlier it costed like 10 diamonds and stuff, so I was like, whoa. So I got one anyway, and now look at this. It's like 1,000 gems. So I'm gonna get one. So, and then when I go to the diamond shop. So, well, anyway, it has like a big animal. It has like a big Arctic wolf there anyway. So, let's see. And so when I go scroll to the Arctic wolf, it only says like 1,000 gems. So that's kind of weird because this, yeah, and some of the other ones too. So it's kind of weird. And so yeah, I want to get another. I want to get an Arctic wolf. But I don't know, why do we have two Arctic wolves? Why do I even have two Arctic wolves if should I have two Arctic wolves? Nah, that's not. Come on, it has to be the animals I already have. I already have the archer, the goat, owl, and the Arctic wolf. I already have all those, but the other ones are not diamond shop animals and stuff. It's kind of sad. It's sad. So I just wanted to show you guys that and some new updates of the flower stuff. So the flower helmet, flower something, flower tail armor, flower ambulance, flower armor, and this is doing sources. And the new thing is kind of, oh, that's so cool. I'm wearing one, but I can't. Nah. And some other things too, and yeah. Oh, and new update. There is the kangaroo claw that's going in 7 days, and the princess dress, and the clover cloud. Get yours today. And this. Boing, boing, boing. And the house is the Winter Palace. I kind of want the Winter Palace, but then it will be like, but I already bought it anyway, so, wait, just want to look in here really quick. So when you go in here and stuff, and then you go, you go all the way up to the top, at the top, boop. It's like a cool thing, and you can see the town of, yeah. And so you go over here. Oh, you can dance. Oh. And so, okay. We go down and down. And so, yeah. Just wanted to show you guys that about the Arctic wolf thing. And so, if you guys can get your Arctic wolf today and stuff. And, so you guys can get your otter, goat, Arctic wolf, and owl today for 1,000 diamonds. And it's a really good price too. Oh, I thought I bought it. Oh no, that would have been bad. Because I don't even like these animals. Besides this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this. I know. I like all of my eggs. Look into its eyes. So yeah, and boop, 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 boop. No, okay, that always scares me. And so yeah, get your Arctic Wolf, and you get Arctic Wolf, Go, Otter, and Owl today. I'm gonna end this video. So like. What? Okay, so whatever. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video, and bye!